What is up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video from your boys at Courtesy Vlogs. We are at Mafia Motorsports, the usual spot where we come and hang out. Marlon's bag Prius, my bag F10, and then this is your boy Moons, owner of Mafia. Big body bands lowered on his rotiforms. You guys saw our previous like 2 videos. We were putting an intake on our homie Alfred's 4 Series, doing bigger things now. He got HRE wheels, coals being installed by our boy Marlon, carbon fiber trunk lip. So in a span of like 2 weeks he did all this, so good stuff, my boy. So while coals are being installed, I told him we should go get coffee because I need some coffee right now. Things look so good. Color is like polished, but like a dark color. They're gonna look so good on that white. I'm gonna take them for my car. I didn't even slap them on this. Yo, you guys got coffee? Moon?
Yeah, I got coffee.
Marlon? You got coffee already?
You want to get coffee?
Of course.
Oh, I need more.
Okay, what you want? Extra caramel frap?
My brother.
Already know. Finally, good to wake me up right here, boys.
Chilling. I'm off for the next 2 weeks, so. Shit, this one too.
After like 6 hours, finally Marlon is done, huh? Took forever.
He said it took 3 hours. You know how much I hate these.
Moment of truth. Okay. Let's see. So we're gonna work on the fitment, see how it looks. Let's see. That's maxed out in the front.
19?
Those wheels look so good.
What year is this Beamer? 16? That's nice.
Marlon working his magic.
Get our house?
There it is. Actually got the honors to drive first time, so you can see how it looks. Let's see. Yeah. Oh. Yep, this looks way better than my car. Paddles and everything. Woof. See how this bad boy rides with these calls. I'm gonna go ahead and put it down real quick. This guy's camera is so HD. Looks better than an iPhone camera. Good? No rubbing in the back? We're good, bro. Oh man, you guys gotta hear this. With the intake that we installed last time, you can hear this thing breathing and it makes it like a blow-off sound. This sounds crazy. So you can hear this. Woo, boy! My camera better pick that up because it sounds so good. Oof, that looks so good. What do you think, fool?
It's nice, bro.
Hell yeah.
Beamer boys.
Yes, sir. That little 15 in the front, little 15mm spacer. We'll bring that out a little bit more.
Alright guys, so we're currently at Osmar's parents' house actually. We're gonna head out camping, just like randomly. We're gonna head out camping. But my birthday present, so my birthday was a few weeks ago, just came in. Of course it was car parts. Osmar actually got me these like VIP mats, I guess you can say, interior mats, and then we got their courtesy hanger actually customly embroidered on them. So check them out. This is the rear. You guys can see the embroidery of the anchor. They're gonna be in the front as well on the mats. So we're gonna put it all together right now. It's kind of cool. So I recently just got my Junction Produce neck pillows, and then like the knot, so on and so forth. Thanks to Alfred, my boy hooked me up. He used to have them in his car. He hasn't used them for a while, so I got them off of him for a pretty good price. But yeah, this is gonna just go pretty well, I think, for the Q. We're gonna put it together, and I'll show you guys how it came out. So pretty much the last part to do, guys, we got the front on. As you guys can see, it comes with those extra little floor mats that has the courtesy anchor. It has this cool little foam pocket right there, and these come right off. So pretty much, since I do daily the car, I'll probably be having those on for the most part, and probably for shows remove it whenever show season comes back. But we'll see. Just because the front does have the anchor, the rear ones are blank, but the anchor's in the center. So I might just remove for sure the rears. But for now, since I do carry people in my car, we're pretty much just gonna put these on. And that's about it, guys. Simple install. Those are it. Just more pieces to the puzzle for the interior. So I got the pillows in the front, in the rear, and the new floor mats.
I feel like it finishes off that VIP look because of like the pillows and stuff.
Right?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I mean, how much Fast and Furious can we get?
Yeah, boy.
It's a young racer mode right there, you know?
That young street glow.
Now, if you guys are wondering, I'm not going to be doing a whole bunch of random colors. It's just going to stay white, pretty much. If anything, maybe this blue.
Yeah, that one doesn't look bad.
Maybe that blue. But honestly, we're pretty much staying white.
Like a nice clean white looks really good. And it bounces really well off the like the leather part.
Yeah, no, it's really, really good. Someone messed up my settings.
The young sleeping bag, packing up for a quick night in the mountains with the boys. Crazy. Got the essentials, you know, obviously some brakey, some eggs. Yep. Essentials. So we got the truck packed up, ready to bounce. Stopping by Oscar's house, and then what do you know? Mr. Mishi, dopest imported Q50, is out here too. Little Q50 twins. That's so cute. What up, bro? I'm incognito in the little, my dad's Colorado truck. We made it out to the desert. We're out here in Gorman, aka Hungry Valley. We usually ride quads and stuff like that, but we decided just to take a little breather.
Get out of the city.
From all this corona. Exactly, get out of the city and just take the night, just chill and stuff like that. But look how it looks really dark, and then the stars are super bright. It's freaking crazy. It's awesome. I'll show you guys real quick once we have our camp set up, got the fire going and stuff like that. This is our current setup out in the mountains with our trusty lantern, tent. Boys grabbing some campfire right there. Some brewskis. Cheers. Cheers to the subscribers. Thank you guys. That is it, you guys. As we go ahead and pack up from our little overnight camping trip, we're gonna go ahead and pack up this video as well. Random vlog this time around, but thank you guys for sticking around. Thank you guys for watching.
We got a Cars and Coffee tomorrow morning.
Cars and Coffee video.
That, then we'd probably stay here another night, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean, look at these views, guys. We got here like at midnight. Wake up at 6, 7 in the morning to this. So nice. But like we said, we're just getting out of the city. It's pretty cool. Make sure to like our previous video so we can go ahead and post up the car. We are doing the whole posting cars and stuff like that. Shout out to this fool type thing. Thanks, guys. Have a good one. Laters.